Hi guys, in few minutes I'm just going to tell you a best setting for Windows 11 and after that you will feel a major difference before and after. So let's start the Windows optimization and all will be done within 2 minutes. So let's start it. Go into the settings. Then you have to navigate Windows 11 update. After that you have to scroll down it. Advanced options. Delivery optimization, and then you have to keep this option off. Remember that this option accumulate all the updates from the internet and it consumes your in bandwidth and memory both, and it spread out onto the network in order to update other devices. But if you are not an IT technician, you are a normal guy, you are using the personal computers, so you don't need these settings. Keep this option off. It will save your memory and bandwidth. Let's close it. Very quick, we are going on to the services, then find out this is main file. Here you can see that I have already off and it is already disabled in my computer because I don't use it. So if you definitely, if you check out your services, this service guarantee it is being run on your computer and you will find it is running. So you have to just right click on it, go into the properties, then disable it, stop it, apply, okay. What it does basically, sysmain is basically designed for the hard drive. In almost a decade ago, in 2010 or even 2005, generally we use hard drive. So this provide virtual boost to the application so that it can load onto the hard drive. But nowadays, today's the modern world, we are using M2 M3 devices, SSD, so we don't need it because it intervene in the algorithm data running onto the SSD and M2. It intervene there with their process and there is a collision between the two different technologies. So you have to keep this option off. But if you are using the hard drive still, then you have to keep on this option. The second thing is that you have to find out the connected user experience telemetry. This is basically a service that is provided by Microsoft. It is basically used to track the user activity or bugs or error, and it report to the Microsoft. So obviously you don't need to, obviously you don't want to share any information of your computer with the Microsoft, so you have to keep this option off. And apart from that, you have one more important thing, last thing that is very important and it plays a very important role. You have to go onto this computer, then right click onto the C drive, then go into the properties, tools, optimize. This option should be off. Yes, you can on this option 15 days, once in a 15 days or once in a month, not more than that, because suddenly unexpected it runs automatically and it consumes your SSD more than 50 to 60% and you will feel sudden lag in your PC. So optimization option is good for the data segregation, but we don't need it on daily basis and we don't need it to keep on all the time. So you have to just keep it on once in a month, 15 days in a month. That is more than enough. Even if you keep this option off, you will not feel any difference. So that's it for today. And if you want to close it, let me show you this. Turn on the setting, it will be turned on, and if it will be turned on, and when you will check onto your computer, it will definitely be on your computer. So you have to uncheck it, close it, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And guys, one more request from my side, and I special request to all the subscribers, kindly push the bell icon because I usually create video for you guys on daily basis. So whenever I create video, you should get a notification so that you can check it. Thank you so much, and spread my channel and spread my videos to your family and friends. Give the thumbs up. See you in the next video.